Hey, ServiceMonster users. I know most of you guys already know about our amazing Fill My Schedule program, our client retention system that allows you to send out direct mail reminders and thank you cards to your clients on a regular basis. That gets an 800% nationwide ROI. But did you also know we do holiday cards as well? And I know that we just got the kids done trick-or-treating and maybe Christmas is a little far out for you guys, but start thinking about this for your clients, because just a few clicks of a button will set up a program that will allow these great happy holidays and Merry Christmas cards to be delivered direct to your client before the holidays. Now, this is a give to give. You're not going to expect a lot of jobs off this, but sometimes surprisingly a few trickle in. It's January that they start really making a difference. So click on the link below and Michael will take you to a form that you can fill out to get those set up, and we'll execute and get those sent out to your clients. Thanks.